Yeah, look. I ain't scared of nothing, really they come from nothing. Boys think they the same, but all them new fronting. Why they mouth keep running, I've been up to something. Let me rap real quick. Look, washing that dirt off, they spit, I turn off. Same shit I heard y'all, who learned y'all? Matter of fact, who birthed y'all? I think they curse y'all, like curse y'all. I dodge, I curve y'all. I don't return calls, cause they call at my phone for a favor. I get to it later, this shit's my turn, dog. Not a greyhound, I'm a mastiff with the misfits and the bad kids. Got a vision, dog, and it's massive. Yeah, it's my ball, I ain't passing. Hope Kendall know who the champ is. Got a bone to pick, no snatching. Mark my spot, yeah, I mapped it. Left my paw prints on the canvas.
Ay,
like,
get out and give him that dog. Yeah. Get out and give him that dog. Ay. Show out and give him that mold. Oh, we letting it off, whatever the cost. Get out and give him that dog. Yeah. Get out and give him that dog. Ay. Show out and give him that mold. Oh. We letting it off, whatever the cost. Yeah. Ay, pound on my chest, my dogs to the left. We enter the room, they don't say a word, but I hear it all from the sound of their breath. I studied the game, I balance my steps, I handle the L's, I learn from the best. I came back a monster, I murdered the threats before they could get to me first. A gift and a curse, cause I gotta clean up the mess. I gotta feel like the best to really believe I'm the best. We almost completed the test, but then you get hit with another one. F***ing we get it done. Heat up the engine, we revving up, letting it off, but we never letting up. Ready or not, we coming for anyone. Everyone talk about bodies, so somebody bury one. And I'll be the Undertaker, I was showing y'all love, but I'm done with favors. I'll be switching the style, got a ton of flavors. Say something for later, I done a hater. For the love of the game, it's a fun behavior. We could up the wager, I was independent, no love from majors. Still turn crumbs to paper, I'm a money machine. The shit's in my jeans, run up the numbers like it's a routine. I'm going for blood, no matter the size of the team. As long as they breathe and they bleed, I feel like Rashid. The ball never lies, we playing for keeps. I rock them away, they fading to sleep. I'm keeping my faith and taking a leap, capiche? And breaking myself off the leash, so I can get out and give them that dog. Ay. Show out and give them that mold. Oh, we letting it off, whatever the cost. Get out and give them that dog. Yeah. Get out and give them that dog. Ay. Show out and give them that mold. Oh. We letting it off, whatever the cost. Get out and give them that dog. Yeah. Get out and give them that dog. Ay. Show out and give them that mold. Oh. We letting it off, whatever the cost. Get out and give them that dog. Yeah. Get out and give them that dog. Ay. Show out and give them that mold. Oh. We letting it off, whatever the cost. Yeah.